Hi, my name is Mellisa Dimpfl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken salad. And this chicken salad is geared towards someone with either HIV/AIDS or cancer, someone that needs to eat calorie-dense food. And by calorie-dense food, I mean it's high in calories, but also the salad has also antioxidants and phytochemicals. So we're going to start off, and also what's good about this recipe is that it's pretty much made up with everything that you have in your home. You don't have to go out to the store and buy any special ingredients. So we're going to start off with some leftover chicken. This is just grilled chicken from last night's dinner, and we'll just cut it up. And you can use grilled chicken, sauteed chicken, whatever you have in your house. Cut them up into bite-sized pieces, and we'll throw that in our bowl. Next, we're going to take some red seedless grapes, and grapes are healthy because they're good for the heart. And so we'll take these, take about 8 or so, and we'll cut these in half so they're easier to bite into. That should be good. And then we'll take some scallions. And you can use, these are also called green onions depending on where you're from. You can use green onions or red onions, or you don't have to use any onion at all. These are also good for your heart. So we'll add that to that. Then we'll use some nuts. I have walnuts. Anytime I'm cooking with nuts, I usually like to toast them. It really brings out the nuttiness and the earthiness of the nut. So I'm using walnuts. You can use pistachios, you can use almonds, pecans, anything you like. Whatever you have in your house. So we'll add that. And there's a lot of color going on, and the more color the better it is for you. It has a lot of vitamins, a lot of phytochemicals, things of that nature. Then we'll take some Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise if you like. I typically don't use mayonnaise or Miracle Whip, but my boss does, and I'm going to give this to her when I'm done, so I bought what she likes. So about 2 or 3 tablespoons in there. And we'll mix it all together so everything's nice and incorporated. This is a big bowl for such little chicken salad, but it's all right. Then we'll add a little salt and pepper to taste. And then you can eat it as is, or if you want to add more calories, you can have I have some wheat bread here and some bib lettuce. You can use spinach, you can use any type of lettuce you like. And again, the same thing goes with vegetables. The greener the leaf, the better it is for you. So we'll spoon some of that on here. There you go. I made a little mess, but I do that. That's all right. And then there you have it, a chicken salad with grapes, walnuts, and scallions.